What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So I'm thinking on this one. Y'all, it's almost just a wicker basket. On this one, we just need a really cute bow and some greenery. So I was thinking a little bit of this greenery that kind of flows down, mixed in with a little bit of fall greenery to get a real nice, fun look. I'm going to go with a longer tail on this one. About a 6.5-inch loop. And on this one, we are going to get some ribbon going north. You need that bow maker? Well, you can get it at Amazon or DecoExchange.com. If you go to DecoExchange.com, you can get the bow maker and other stuff. And who doesn't love other stuff? So in the center, we're going to take it and we're going to tie a little knot in it. So I like to tie a little knot in one end. All right, let's slide our bow off. Get our pipe cleaner on there. Y'all, we're just going to get our little bow fluffed out. So you see how this pumpkin's curved? If we add our bow up here at the top of the curve, it's going to stick out like a bad cowlick. So we're going to move our bow down to the ridge so that our bow lays normal. Get this twisted off. All right, y'all, and then on the back, it has wire frames. So I'm gonna make sure that the pipe cleaners go through the wicker and then also wrap around the wire frame. I did that to make sure that if the wicker breaks or something, the frame will not give out. Let's get our bow trimmed. Look how cute. Y'all, these little hangy things came from Hobby Lobby. Y'all, these I'm going to commit to right off the bat because I know I want that extra layer of texture between the bow and the pumpkin. So from the top, you can still see the pumpkin stem. It's got a little bit of character.